165. No way.
Those are some big balls.
Was that the act?
What's happening?
Girl, I'm in love with you. This ain't the honeymoon. Past the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love. Times we get sick of love. It seems like we argue every day. I know I misbehaved and we made your mistakes. We both still got room left to grow.
Oh my goodness.
And though love sometimes hurts, I still put you first. And we'll make this thing work. But I think we should take it slow. We're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go. 'Cause we're ordinary people. Maybe we should take it slow. Take it slow. Maybe we'll live and learn. Maybe we'll crash and burn. Maybe we'll stay, we'll never know. Baby, you and I, we're just ordinary people. We don't know which way to go. 'Cause we're
Honey cake muffin.